Dreadysays, it's vlog number 11. I don't know why I did that, but I just did. So, this is going to be a nice quick one, just going over everything that's coming up, because there is a lot to go through. So rather than just a normal social, Insta or Facebook post, I'm going to go through everything, because there's a lot of exciting stuff, including a competition that is drawing next week, coming up. Alright guys, let's get to it. So I've even had to write a little bit of a list because there's so much to go through. But first and foremost, we have the Overboard changing robe. Retail at 130 quid, but how does it compare to the other, I'm not going to say nasty, but cheap Amazon one that I've been using all of last year? Also, quite exciting, they've given me a discount code to share with you guys. It is Dreadysays 20. Gets you 20% off everything that's full price on their website. I'm not sponsored, I'm not endorsed by Overboard, but they have been sending me a lot of products to test. And I've just used them every day since. For example, the 30-litre backpack. Check out my review from last week. That is a 6 months later review, using it every day, but just check the video out because it's quite interesting to see how these technical bags actually hold up. Next. Now this one is interesting. It is their DSLR or camera 15-litre bag. Now tomorrow I'm going to be shooting that bag's review, basically, just the initial thoughts with 2 Lumix mirrorless cameras in there. Maybe some action cameras, we'll see. Check it out tomorrow anyway guys, I'm looking forward to that one. And what else is on the magical list? The 60-litre duffel water test. All the links for all of these are going to be down below as well, so you can check it all out in the description down below. Next is the Whatsupuk UK hybrid and pace river tests. Now I've tested the pace, or both of them, in the sea. The hybrid has got a surf review that came out a couple of weeks ago. The pace, they're sort of touring, sort of racing boards. That needs to get out on the river. I need to get on it, and I need to do it soon. I've had them for a few weeks now, and they've just been staring at me going, come on, sort it out. So that will happen by the end of February. Speaking of February, Panda Board Sports and the ASI have asked me to film a water safety video around the Panda Board Sports quick release belt. Nothing is sponsored, nothing is endorsed, it's just a few companies are good enough to send me a few bits and pieces and I'll review them, and it's always completely honest and unbiased. I cannot and will not be bought. Right, what else? Magic list. Right next to me, the Fusion X 5-meter wing. Now this little beauty is going to get tested first on a mountain board, and then it's time for the water tests. Looking forward to that one. The Ozone V1, the version 1 of their Wasp, the 4-meter, was not impressed, got rid. Heard good things, and I'm looking forward to it. That was sent to me by the guys at West Kiteboarding. I always get it wrong. Links down below. I say sent to me, I paid for that one, so I'm looking forward to that review, see how it gets on. Magic list. Competition. Of course it is. The competition for the Bluetooth wireless headphones. That is drawn next Wednesday at 6 PM GMT. All you need to do to enter is find the video, located down below, like the video, subscribe to my channel, set it to public as well, because if not, I don't know if you've subscribed, and put a nice little comment in that video. Also, like, subscribe and comment on this video. Always appreciate your support. Wouldn't be here without you. Thank you so much to everyone who's already subscribed, liked and commented and just joins in. We're all in this together and I really enjoy seeing your comments. That's pretty much it, apart from being both nervous and excited for actually using my new G90, and we'll see how that comes out with the onboard preamp for the audio and a Comica V30 Pro microphone. So Lots of fingers crossed for that. I'm looking forward to editing, but I've been rattling on, which I promised I wouldn't do, and I have, so I'm very sorry. So that's it, guys. Like, subscribe, all the usual business, and I'll catch you for the next one.